Hello, people. What's happening? I'm now at this beautiful Airbnb in Limassol, Cyprus. I'm the first person to stay here, actually. Let's get straight onto it. I just went shopping at this wonderful supermarket in Cyprus, and I want to show you, I've literally bought the ideal foods, okay? We're going to go through it one by one. Now, check this out. This is exactly what you should be eating. Bunch of green leaves, apples. Everything here is healthy. Everything. Avocado, cucumbers, strawberries, blueberries, red beetroot, mushrooms. I've got 2 broccoli here. I've got some albacore tuna. I've got some crunchy peanut butter. I've got some mackerel. Mackerel is obviously how you say it in French. Obviously, Casino is a French supermarket, actually. High quality sardines, mint tea, butter, another green leaf salad right here. We've also got a bunch of spices. So I've got oregano, I've got tarragon, I've got garlic over here, I've got thyme, I've got salt, pepper, and chives, and then on we go. Now here's a piece of sea bass that I'll put in the oven. This is kefir, lovely Kalamata olives, couple of pieces of chicken breast, obviously some hummus because I'm Mediterranean, gotta have that. Some Greek cheese. This looks like feta cheese, nice white cheese. A sirloin steak. Actually, no, this is a strip loin steak. We've got some, this is like yogurt as well, Greek yogurt. This is some high protein bread, low carb, high protein bread. 95% dark chocolate. I've got salmon over here. I've got some juice, natural juice with no sugar, with only natural sugars. I've got some eggs there. I've got some lebne, which is also like a yogurt type thing, right? Really good protein rich stuff. Honey, antioxidant, amazing stuff. Obviously, this is my favorite. Banging extra virgin olive oil, top quality stuff. Then I've got cashews. I've got Brazil nuts. And I've got walnuts. That, my friends, is how you go shopping. That is the food that you should be eating to get a six-pack, to look amazing and to feel amazing. That is top level shopping right there. And I know because I've traveled for 10 years and I know what to eat. I can walk into a supermarket and straight away I know whether it's bullshit or good quality produce or not, just by looking at the fish, just by looking at the chicken, just by looking at like how the veggies look, how the supermarket organized. I mean, Mediterranean is the best place to be. I mean, in terms of food, like, look at the colors. Oh, it's just fantastic. It literally puts a smile on my face. So anyway, I'm going to be hitting the gym every single day. I'm going to be eating food like this. I'm going to maintain my six-pack. I'm going to be in insane shape. And you could be doing exactly the same thing. So come on, crack on. Hope this video is helpful. I'm going to be showing you what I eat all the time. This shit is going to make me ripped, going to put me in killer shape, but most importantly, going to help me to think, going to help me to focus so I can get on with my business, so I can make my money, so I keep traveling around the world and staying in places like this in Limassol, Cyprus, 5 minutes away from the beach. Peace out, brothers. Thanks for all your support to the ones that continually support me. And for everyone else, they'll get there eventually.